So, hi, dear Aquarius. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a you versus them current energy check in for all the Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising for the next 72 hours. Please keep in mind the roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to force yourself to fit into the reading. Sometimes the messages are not for you. For personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Aquarius, on your side, let's see what we have. We have the Seven of Pentacles, the Eight of Swords, and the Queen of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the King of Cups. So you guys are waiting and watching for some kind of investment of yours to show you the results. Investment in a situation, and you guys are not able to stop overthinking, stop thinking negative about a particular situation. Although you guys are trying your best to remain practical, mature, grounded, compassionate, and loving, and whatnot, from your side, this situation is giving you a lot of anxious thoughts and sleepless nights and anxious energies. Okay, so you guys are waiting and watching and hoping. Let's say you are waiting for somebody's messages, for example, just an example. So you are checking your phone after every 10 seconds. Have they texted me? Have they texted me? Have they texted me? And it is stressing the hell out of you because you are not getting the kind of response or energy that you want from a particular person or situation. You are trying your best to remain practical, remain very compassionate, remain very understanding, but something is bothering you continuously in the situation and it's stressing the hell out of you. Bottom of the deck is the King of Cups. Now, this might be somebody who is not very expressive, who is not very communicative, but you feel there is love in the situation, even if it is unexpressed, unsaid, even if it is not properly revealed to you. Somehow, you are still holding on to the situation that there is love here. I don't know if it's there or not, but you feel like that. From your side, your energies are leaning into the direction of, I can understand why they are doing what they are doing, but I can't stop thinking negative. But there is love here. I'm waiting for the time and everything is going to be sorted. Everything is going to be okay. Okay. Let's see from the romance angels for you, from for your side. This situation involves marriage. Maybe one of you is waiting for the situation to go to the next level of marriage or commitment or something, and that's why the other person is pulling back their energies because they are not ready. And or one of you is already married or committed to someone else here, but still they are trying to get involved in the situation, and that is creating a lot of mess. Take it how it resonates with you. Not important, not mandatory that this is for you only, the message. Let's see the energy attached to you, what they are up to. We have the Knight of Swords, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Strength card. Bottom of the deck is the Five of Wands. They are trying everything from their side to let the universe decide what is going to happen next in the situation. But from their side, they're trying to run away from the situation as far as they can and holding back their horses because they don't feel like coming towards you. They feel like right now detachment or distance is the good idea, because the bottom of the deck is a Five of Wands. They're trying their best to avoid any kind of conflict or chaos or drama in this situation, in their life also, in this situation also. And right now they are not in the mood of any kind of drama or chaos or conflict. That is why they are just trying to run away from the situation in the opposite direction as much as they can. They're still living in this energy of, okay, if anything is supposed to happen between me and Aquarius, it's going to happen at some point of time. But right now, I don't want any kind of drama, chaos, or conflict in my life in any way. So let me just run away from the situation as far as I can. Let me just keep my mouth shut and energies low key and let the universe do its job. Let the universe decide. Okay, let's see. Let's see the message. for their side from the romance angels. Trust. This situation is calling for you to have faith. Maybe this person is having trust issues, or they might have created trust issues in the situation, and that is why either they're not able to trust this whole dynamics between you and them, because they feel like, okay, whenever they think about you or about this situation, it creates a lot of conflict and chaos in their life, or they themselves are not a trustworthy energy. Again, take it how it resonates with you, but there is something related to trust that they are not able to cope up with, and that's why they're like, I will think about it, but maybe the universe is going to do its miracle at some point of time, and we are going to be sorted the way it should be. Hmm. Let's see for the connection what we have. We have the Ten of Wands, the Four of Wands, the King of Cups. Bottom of the deck is a Page of Wands. There is still a friendliness kind of energy in the situation. If you guys are going to remove this expectation of commitment or marriage or long term partnership, if you guys remove the energy of marriage or commitment kind of situation from the situation, then this situation might not be that much complicated or that much chaotic or dramatical. Bottom of the deck is a Page of Wands. If you guys have this capacity and the capability to keep this situation in a friendly manner in your life without expecting too much from the situation, then maybe the situation can stay for some time. But otherwise, if you guys are going to continuously think about the future, about commitment, about long term partnership, then this situation is going to always continue like this only, this stressful, this chaotic, this conflicted, and it's not going to go anywhere. There is somehow, this is very weird, there is somehow love in the situation, but because of the trust issues, because of somebody wanting to have something stable, something long term, things are always going south. So if you guys can just keep it friendly without any expectations, then this can survive for some time. Otherwise, this is not going anywhere. Let's see the last message for you guys as a mutual energy from the romance angels. Retreat. It's time to disconnect from the world. So maybe this is the right time for you guys to disconnect from the situation, not from the world, from the situation itself, and think about the situation on an individual level, and maybe then decide what you guys should do about it and what you guys should not do in this dynamics. It's important for you guys to take a step back, or distance yourself from the situation for the time being, and understand the situation on a deeper level, about your feelings, about your thoughts, and then maybe reconnect and do something about it the way you guys should. Let's see the guidance for you guys, Aquarius. We have the Empress. This is the time for you guys, Aquarius, that you should focus on your own growth and expansion and your own happiness. Have you heard about the term, you only attract what you are? You always get what you are. You never get what you want until you become what you want, right? In order to attract the kind of happiness, the kind of growth and expansion, the love of your life, the husband or wife material kind of energy, you guys have to become that energy first. So you guys have to love yourself first. You guys have to have that kind of growth within yourself first. You have to fill your own cups first. You have to be completely fine with your existence, completely happy with your existence on this planet earth from within yourself, right? Until unless you guys are going to fill your own cups and feel in love with yourself madly, you guys will not be able to attract that kind of energy that you want. Your manifestation is never going to work out until you guys are going to work on your belief system and regulate your nervous system, teach your nervous system to hold those kind of energies when those kind of energies show up at your door. So it's very, very important for you guys to become what you want. Otherwise, you're never going to get what you want, right? This is very, very important lesson for you guys. Work on your vibrations, your belief system, your nervous system regulation, and then manifest from that level. Then you will be able to attract it naturally and organically. Then you guys don't have to do much about it. Yep. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Aquarius. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.